Got a few bits from Adidas that have arrived. I also managed to get the last Yeezy Gap collection stuff. Although to be fair, the boots are in there. Not the boots. What are they called? The socks? I've totally forgot, it's been that long. It's the socks and that ugly ass t-shirt that says the number 1 it. So I can't wait to see what this is gonna look like. They're a size 3, so I already know they're fucking too big. And then we've also got 2 Adidas boxes. This is something unrelated to the Yeezy stuff. It's a bit of a mess in here though. But yeah, a few Adidas parcels that arrived from Yeezy Day. Let's go take a look and let's see what we got. Yeah, this is kind of like my room. It's looking a bit bad. Got a few other bits there. I'll probably, sort it all out very soon, but let's get on with the video. So hopefully you can see me guys with these boxes. I only bought 3 things from Yeezy Day, although to be fair there is still a few more bits to drop on Yeezy Day. I believe the tail doves are due to be dropping. I know the pirate blacks did drop, but I wasn't really interested in the pirate blacks. I'm kind of more interested in the tail doves. If I look like I'm crying, it's because I've got hay fever. But yeah, a few things that I've got here. There's a couple of things that I might actually hold because I don't know if these 2 products below me might do well, especially when it comes to fall winter, because they are like the Yeezy boots. So I know people mention like Yeezy boots are really cool and comfortable and quite in demand, especially when it comes to winter. So I thought I might hold a few just to see how it goes. But yeah, let's go take a look, unbox this stuff, and yeah, let's check it out. Peep the angle, guys. I hope you like this little showcase. This whole corner is gonna look hopefully a little bit better. But yeah, I gotta make sure to look in the camera because I wasn't looking in the camera at the first part. But anyway, today we've got these are the Onyx foam runners. No, they're not. I completely lied. These are the, I forgot what they're called. MX foam or something. They're kind of like black and blue. I remember buying them before when they first dropped, and I think I sold them for like $250 or some crazy shit. But yeah, I got a big size just because why not? I was doing my 10K walk. Oh, by the way, I'm doing a 10K challenge. Basically, I'm walking 10K steps every day in the month of June. It's on my TikTok page, so if you want to check it out, go check it out. Got a foam runner. Let's take a look. And yeah, a lot of you guys probably know what this looks like by now. Quite repetitive, to be fair, when it comes to these unboxings, but these are like blue on. They got black, blue, and it looks like some dirt as a pattern. It's kind of like an onyx foam with a bit of dirt on it, and then a tiny bit of blue on top, which I kind of like. I think they look cool. I know foam runners aren't as popular as they were before, but I can see these. I could probably put these on eBay. I was literally just gonna buy them just to put them on eBay, just to sell them for like 20 or 30 quid above retail, just because it's a big size. I only went for the big size just because, bigger sizes are a lot more in demand, should we say. But I'm not sure about this model anymore. It might have been before, but this model is kind of like dead. It's called the MX Cinder. All right, so MX Cinder, size 13, US sizing is also size 13, so yeah, pretty much the same size. And it's not like that with Adidas. They normally are like half a size up, but yeah, we got some size 13. These will be up on my eBay channel, so if you are interested in them, let me know. Now for my specific hold. These are the Yeezy Desert Boots. This is the big size that I managed to cop. I managed to get like a big size, which is a size 12. UK, US 12 and a half. So yeah, you tend to go like a full size up in desert boots. So I kind of wanted to get the bigger boots just because certain people who are like, let's say size 11 need to get a size 12. So kind of more harder. And to be fair, when I did get this, when this dropped on Yeezy.com, or should I say Adidas confirmed, the bigger sizes did actually like went out of stock relatively quick. I believe it was like 5 or 10 minutes. So that's pretty big, especially when the amount of stock they have in it. Although to be fair, I have heard rumors that some Yeezy Desert Boosts might have mold on them, on the suede. So hopefully we don't get mold. These are the oil colorway, so the darker colorways. I'm already seeing some weird shit. Here we are, we've got them, the oil boots. Now I don't know if you can see, but there's a bit of dirt there. I don't know about you. Is it dirt? Is it dirt or is it, I don't know, it looks like dirt. Or it's just extra glue. But anyway, I'm gonna look at it. I'm gonna look at it. Can you see anything? There's no mold on them. They look pretty good. So yeah, these are the oil colorways, the darker ones. I believe the other colorway was a lot more in, because I didn't manage to get like a smaller size, because I went for this one first before getting the lighter colorway. And this one was in stock a bit longer versus the other colorway. So I was thinking maybe the other colorway would have been better. But oh, my hair fever. I'm so sorry guys, my hair fever is just the worst. It's this month, it's this season, it's terrible. But I like them. I think they're cool. I think they're a decent cool hold. I feel like they might do well. Yeah, let's go check out the other shoe. Making sure that the actual boot itself hasn't got mold on the suede. It looks pretty good. Oopsie daisy. The suede is pretty suedey. Very nice. Yeah, I like this shoe. I think this is a cool shoe. Did you guys get any desert boots? Let me know in the comments. They are a really cool winter shoe, I gotta say. Very nice. We got one more desert boots to go. And these are, I forgot what colorway they're called. These are called the rock, the lighter colorway. Now I didn't actually get a big size in these, like I did mention. I was only able to cop like a size. What size did I get actually? I didn't manage to get a UK, so look how small. In comparison to like the UK 12, this one looks tiny as hell. So if you are a true to size UK 8, you'd want to go full size up. That is the recommendation. But they look like baby feet, not gonna lie. They look very small. Yeah, this is the lighter colorway. I do feel like these are cool. Maybe on the summer, if people are kind of like, you know, wearing boots during the summer, or maybe the autumn, especially when it comes to like sunset and stuff. I think these are pretty nice. If I was more into like military boots, I would actually like buy a pair for myself, but I'm just not that person that wears boots. I kind of don't like high tops because the problem is that my ankle will just completely die. And apparently I've heard rumors that there's like a bit of like leather like etching. So like if you're not wearing like thick socks, like it's gonna really hurt your ankle, which I can feel it right now at the bottom. It's kind of like an extra layer gap. So like if you move that on your ankle, it's gonna fuck you up. That's not good. To be fair, the Yeezy Desert Boot's probably more designed for like thicker socks anyway. But I mean, if you're going a full size up already, you may want to go another full size up if you want thicker socks. I don't know how sizing works. I'm never going to try them anyway. Yeezy rock. Let me know what you guys think. Did you buy a pair? Did you keep a pair? Are you holding them for the winter, or did you just not bother buying anything from Yeezy? Because, you know, Yeezy's kind of boring at the moment. It's alright. They're a nice shoe. Although, to be fair, I'm still waiting on, there's still a few more drops. There are a few more drops left from Yeezy Day. Quite a lot of stuff, to be fair. I'm not sure what I want to go for personally. I kind of do, like I did mention, the Yeezy Tail Doves. I do want a pair that is like the shoe that started it all, basically. I know it's pretty outdated now for a shoe, and I know Adidas are going to charge like 200 quid for this shoe, and it should not be worth 200 quid. That is a rip-off, but I still want it because, you know, it's a sneakerhead's dream shoe. Nobody was going to pay like thousands of pounds for like a Yeezy Tail Dove back in the day, although people did, to be fair. And funny enough, every single time they drop a Yeezy Zebra, that video always seems to pop up on my social media. The round 2 video. I remember watching that when it first came out and I was like, what? Why is this guy trading all his shoes? This shoe! I mean, look at this shoe now. Imagine if I was paying $2,000 for a shoe and I wore them like this. Nah. I feel sorry for that guy. I wonder what that guy's doing. Thank you guys for watching. That's the end for this video. If you like this video, let me know in the comments below. It's layout, set out. Is it actually good? Can you actually guys see the collection? Perhaps you might not, but I'll obviously go through setups and editing and I'll figure that out as we go along. But yeah, stay tuned for more videos like this, more unboxings. I've got another video planning about all my holds for this summer, what I'm holding, what I'm selling, what I actually do for a living. But yeah, let me guys know in the comments what you think of Yeezy Day so far. Is there anything that you guys are wanting very soon, maybe the next couple of days? Are you waiting on those Tail Doves? Just like me, perhaps I might actually get them. I hope they drop. So yeah, stay tuned for another video and take care. Peace.